vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is a Thursday and I am going hiking at the Lion's Head. It's at Signal Hill. Yes, that's where the parking will be. I've never hiked at the Lion's Head before, but coming from the reviews, they say that it's quite easy. It's not that difficult. And I also did my hair yesterday, so please check out my wig install shorts that I posted yesterday, and please leave a comment and please like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So I will see you guys when we get there.
The world's cold, I know, and your heart's no different. Who you want don't want you, and who you miss don't miss you. Your tears are falling, you can't feel them. You want peace but can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. Okay, now wait up. It's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the world, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you die, you know we are that spiritual. We see you drowning with the tides on your soul. You know we love you. If we love you, then corrections on the way there. In Jesus' name, them strong codes, I ain't staying with you. Oh my mama, let your brother fall down, the light of the sun, the blood on your hands.
We'll have 2 chicken Cajun pastas.
Cajun pasta?
Yes.
Which one? There's a lot of Cajun. Which one?
Really?
The first one, the second one. Alfredo is also Cajun. Seafood pasta is also Cajun. Spicy pasta is also Cajun.
Spicy. Which one is the spicy?
This one.
Yes. Well,
2 Cajun spicy pasta.
yes. And 2 mocktails, please. You can just bring out. Guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today's Friday and the weather in Cape Town is looking really nice and sunny, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna branch out. I'm going to a wine farm in Durbanville. They have this winter special where you get 6 glasses of wine with food pairing. So anyway, I'll take you guys along and we're gonna go and see it together, so let's go. All right, let me show you guys what I'm wearing really quick. So okay, obviously I'm wearing this cardigan, got this from Shein, and I'm wearing a black jeans with boots, but I will probably get pictures and post it on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my IG, Vanessa Sootmelk, on all social media platforms. So yeah, let's go. I'm really loving this short hair on me. Oh my word.
This is the 2025 Sauvignon Blanc from our vintage, and this has been recently released and it's
Thank you.
2025 Sauvignon Blanc. highly recognized by top quality winemakers. Balance. And it has 10% Bulgarian oak, delicious, matured in French barrels, second and third fill with 10% French oak. Smoky oaky aromas as well, being matured first and second fill to provide nice oaky, smoky, leathery flavor and nice aromas. This occasion temperature is perfect as well. Blush is off-dry style rosé. It's nice and inviting.
Okay.
Grapes get matured in massive egg-shaped containers to provide this delicious with the waffle, which
One full sun.
So I think, well, how do we eat this? So the white wine goes with the mushroom soup, I guess. Not bad. It's actually good. I like it, hey? They have like a tiny bread. Baby, you wanna taste it? So we'll pay it with this crumbed cookie. I'm not really sure what this is. It's mushroom inside. You don't like mushroom. So it's like a fried mushroom.
I'm just gonna add my wine.
I feel like it goes together. What makes this nice is because they fried it, so there's a coating. It's not bad. So we are trying, I'm not really sure what this is called, but it's the third red wine. I think it's a Shadish or something. I'm not sure, but we're gonna pay it with, there's a little hamburger going on here. So yeah, let's taste. Taste the bread.
Because of spoon.
This is a second red. Cheers. It's so different from Merlot.